Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Hood Pins Kit is probably one of the most sought-after car accessories for enthusiasts who prioritize both functionality and aesthetics. These aren't just about keeping your hood shut, they're a statement, adding an aggressive, motorsport-inspired look to your ride, and in this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know before buying one, from material and construction to installation and overall value. Number 5. STETION Quick Latch Hood Pins. These hood pins offer a quick and easy way to secure your hood. They're designed for a clean look and reliable performance. With a diameter of 2.44 inches and a 1.49-inch installation hole, it's simple to install these pins. They provide a strong grip for reliable hood security. They're made with high-precision CNC machining for a smooth finish and precise fit. Durable stainless steel ensures long-lasting performance. Each package includes 2 hood pin assemblies, mounting accessories, and extra springs. Everything you need for a seamless installation. The sleek, low-profile design enhances your car's look. The anodized coating provides a premium, metallic finish. Open your hood with a simple push of the button. It's quick, clean, and hassle-free. We stand behind our product with a friendly after-sales guarantee. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. It boasts incredibly precise CNC machining and a strong grip, ensuring a secure hood closure. The push-button release mechanism makes opening the hood quick and easy. If you value precision engineering and a clean, convenient hood release, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They're simple in design, and are actually pretty good for what it is. Install took me about 20 minutes per corner. I mainly used tools that anyone would have at home, which includes a drill bits, step bits, ratchet, and sockets. The black color is great, especially on darker colored cars. Blends in nice and neat. This design has a smooth, round threaded ring requiring 3 set screws to lock it in place. Quick Latch uses a hex-threaded nut only. Number 4. Spectre 42563 Hood Pins. These hood pins are built to last. Made from durable stainless steel, they're designed for a secure hold. They're constructed from high-quality stainless steel for superior strength and corrosion resistance. It ensures long-lasting performance. This universal design makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It's a simple and effective upgrade for your vehicle. These pins work in conjunction with your vehicle's original equipment hood latch. It provides an extra layer of security. Everything you need for installation is included. You'll have them securely mounted in minutes. The kit comes with all the mounting hardware you need for a quick and easy installation. No need to source additional parts. What we like. Made from robust stainless steel, it offers a universal fit and integrates seamlessly with your existing hood latch. This ensures a secure and reliable hood closure. If you need a simple, durable solution that complements your existing system, this is it. What people say. Installation was a little tricky at first, but they work like a charm. Easily hold my hood down going 80 miles per hour with a broken hood latch. They work great and installed easily. A few wrenches, step bits and 15 minutes restored confidence to driving a 2004 Pontiac Vibe. Nice product delivered next day. This same location would work on a Toyota Matrix as well. Only caught 1-2 the threads in the lower nut, quite secure with the 2 nuts jammed locked together across the sheet metal. 1-2 and 7/8 short step bit advised. Number 3. iJDMTOY Muscle Car Latch Kit. Give your car a classic muscle car feel with this easy-to-install kit. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, adding a touch of racing-inspired style. This kit features a pair of polished silver chrome scuff bases and sturdy steel locking pins. It's built to last and withstand various weather conditions. Everything you need is in the box: scuff bases with double-sided tape, locking pins, and metal cables. Installation is quick and simple. No need for complicated tools or drilling. Just clean the surface, peel, and stick the bases. It's that easy to give your car a stylish upgrade. This kit instantly transforms your vehicle's appearance, adding a sporty and eye-catching aesthetic. Get ready for compliments. Clean the hood, peel and stick the bases, attach the cables to the pins, and extend them inside the grille. It's a simple process for a dramatic result. What we like. This kit gives your car a classic muscle car aesthetic with its polished chrome finish and easy peel and stick installation. The durable alloy metal construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you want to add a stylish, retro touch without the hassle of drilling, this is for you. What people say. Very easy to install. Looks like real hood pins without having to drill holes in your hood. This is a great product. I've had these installed on one of my cars for over 3 years and they have been rock solid with no rust. Adds a real sporty look to your bonnet and may act as a safeguard if adhesion holds strong. Number 2. JDM Quick Latch Hood Pins. Introducing our JDM style Quick Latch Hood Pins. These stylish and functional pins add a touch of racing flair while keeping your hood securely closed. It's a simple upgrade that significantly improves hood security. They're designed for easy installation, but drilling is required for a secure fit. These pins are perfect for lightweight hoods, preventing annoying vibrations during driving or cornering. Enjoy a smoother, quieter ride. Everything you need is in the box. The kit includes all the necessary hardware for a quick and easy installation. No need to source extra parts. While it enhances security, remember it's a supplementary locking mechanism. For optimal security, we recommend keeping your original hood latch in place. These versatile pins aren't just for hoods. Use them on bumpers or license plates for added security and a custom look. What we like. These lightweight pins are designed to prevent hood vibration and provide a secure closure. They're easy to install, though drilling is required. If you need a simple, secure solution to keep your hood from vibrating, this is a great option. What people say. Good quality, easy install. Used to secure a homemade travel trailer door. I was surprised by how easy the install and adjustment was. Pleased with how well they latch. They are holding down the big clamshell hood of my '84 Corvette. Road test showed no bouncing or jiggles. Did what it was supposed to do. Quick delivery. Number 1. Hood Pin Plate Lock Kit. This kit adds a layer of security to your vehicle. It not only keeps your hood securely closed but also enhances its look. It provides a positive lock, safeguarding your engine compartment. This is especially important during high-speed driving or accidents. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to withstand the test of time. The long lanyard adds extra security. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a drill bit. The scratch-resistant finish ensures a clean look. It provides a tight and secure closure for your hood. Drive with confidence knowing your engine is protected. It's suitable for various vehicles and hood types, including carbon fiber. It's a great addition for any car enthusiast. What we like. This kit enhances safety and style with its durable stainless steel construction and long lanyard. It's relatively easy to install, though drilling is needed. If you prioritize safety and a secure hood closure, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Quick, easy installation with all parts needed in the box. I installed these on my '69 Torino GT Fastback and they function well and look great. Bought another set here that were aluminum and so light that I was afraid they would break. These feel much heavier duty and look just as good. My hood still has the latch, but these will give the added support needed. Does the job exactly like it describes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.